That's a serious sight.
Oh yes, cuz you the man. Nah, we ain't on that little boy shit, man. We had to, we had to boss up. Knew I was a man when I realized that I wasn't on shit. All that work I put in these streets and I don't know shit. I don't wanna slide with no nigga, you hit my phone, click. I don't wanna hear about your problems, I got my own shit. Soon as I find a lane, I put you on, cause me, I'm so legit. Soon as you got some change, you hit the game, ain't think I noticed it. I don't even speak about what I did, shit, I just closed my lips. But I done gave out covers without me, you would be cold.
In today's video, we finna do some real small, quick, and minor modifications to the car. I went ahead and picked up this nice K&N cold air intake. It's probably gonna need another filter, but until the time being, we're gonna have to 9 times out of 10 use this filter. Bought this thing for like $30. With that being said, we're gonna be installing this today. Also, I went ahead and got to go pick up some wheel spacers to help the rear tail end of the car sit a little bit more aggressive, because that right there, they're not pretty. They're not okay. That not okay. Go ahead and lift this head up and just look at this factory intake, man. Yeah, that's a piece of shit. All right, let's get started, man. If I'm not mistaken, all we're gonna need for this job is a flathead screwdriver to remove this screw right here, and you're gonna need more than a flathead. I think this is an 8mm. Hook the socket up to there. Is this RTV? Very first thing you're gonna want to do is pretty much disconnect all your damn that shit on there. Disconnect all your fittings and hoses and lines and stuff. Hold on. So like I was saying, guys, first thing you're gonna do is gonna disconnect all these things right here. Disconnect them, remove them. Then we're gonna use our flathead screwdriver, take this loose, and everything should pretty much come out. All right, guys, so this is the factory joint. This looks ass.
5 minutes later.
Not gonna lie to you, the engine bay looks so much better with this being installed. I went ahead and used the old clamp that was on the old intake and went ahead and installed it on this one. Not only that, but we had to do basically it deleted the intake air temperature installing this, but we kept the obviously we kept the mass airflow sensor. So I guess our next steps would be to start this thing up, man. Let's hear how she sounds. I'm kind of glad that I got an automatic. I have like a love-hate situation with it right now, because it'll be so hard to drive this car and record content at the same time. It's just damn near gonna be impossible. Okay, so the car looked like it's about up to operating temperature. About to go ahead and well, I ain't about to go ahead and do shit. It's breathing. I'll tell you that much, it's most definitely breathing. That thing felt good just now. Okay, got a little pep in his step. Look at the good old 2-valve, man. I'd say we probably picked up at the bare minimum probably 10 horsepower and at the most 12, 13. Hey guys, we made it to the shop. We got Titanez in the cut. Yes, sir. You see the beautiful SC 400. I was talking to this man about a race. I said, let's see where they stand. Yours is dual overhead or single? Dual? I'm single. That can explain the extra horsepower, kinda. You got the exhaust and the intake cam. Only got one. I think it's just the intake. I don't even think it's the exhaust cam. Huh?
It's a Mustang. It's a pony car.
Right. I think either, I don't know who's heavier. You might be lighter.
I'm heavier. I'm a luxury brand.
I know that, but you done some weight reduction.
I'm a boat.
So I think your car, I think it said it weighs around like 35 curb weight. I'm 34. And then you add me in it, I'm like 200 and I'm like 260. So that's like
Right at about
damn near. And then you, how much you weigh?
150.
150? Yeah. I don't know. I think it would be a good one.
I got transmission problems.
Nah, look at you. He said, I got transmission problem. Look at that.
I got coilover though.
Then you got weight reduction.
Bro.
Bad. Bad. You got weight reduction. Bad.
It's a whole seat, bro.
You out here floating for real. Nah, but guys, we're gonna get the car inside the shop and put the spacers on the rear. Like I showed you guys earlier, this fitment is disgusting. Like, very disgusting.
Yeah, don't let them see my
Got him in the Mustang, man. Ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. You look good in there, don't you? Look good in there. Rev it! Alright guys, so these are the spacers we're going to be installing today to fix this horrible fitment, bruh. Terrible fitment. Yes, sir. Alright guys, so if you ever encounter a problem like this where the hub and this and the board doesn't match, just hand tighten this one until it's snug and then hand tighten the bottom one, and all the other ones should match and come and correlate at the same time. You know, because our struggle was we couldn't get the socket to fit in there because it was misaligned. But once we got two bolts in there and it held it in place and it fit in this one and this one, all the other ones kind of like lined it up together at the same time. Yeah, I can already tell the difference. I can already tell the difference, bro. What's going on? Yeah, hold the camera real quick.
I may not be the right side.
No.
They're probably 5x120 and you got 5x114 and 5x100.
Oh. This is a conversion.
What do you mean?
So it converts from...
So it goes from, like, for example,
From
5x114 to 5x120?
Yeah.
Or 5x100 to 5x114?
Yeah.
So it's not an actual
Guys, unfortunately I can't put the wheel spacers and the wheels on the car with the wheel spacers because it was actually a conversion. It wasn't the actual, you know, like, spacer. You know, it was a conversion. I guess that was just me not paying attention. 110% me not paying attention. That is sexy. This is one sexy ass car, bro. It's only for what?
It's only for one side.
One side? Oh. Guys, I came to the conclusion that, you know, since we're here, might as well try to address this and pop this out the best way we can, just so the car can look nice, you know?
2 hours later.
Guys, probably like after 30 minutes straight of hitting it, we had to take the door panel off, try getting some of it from the hole, got a little bit up from up there, then we had a bright idea to remove the speaker, finally removed the speaker, and we got her out. You got the majority of it out, as a matter of fact. It was way better than how it looked before. That big ass chip of paint, just gonna have to repaint over it, I guess. So I need to end this video off, man. Or are we gonna make some content? Gonna make some content, man. I feel like this is gonna be a good race. Like, it's really gonna, like, I'm talking about neck to neck. It ain't really gonna be like a blowout. If not, you wanna do that? All right, bet. What is your predictions? If anything, I feel like it's gonna be close, and I might pull up top. I might pull up top.
Because you got more power.
I think you got more power. All right, guys, so we had a little talk. Both of our cars are pretty much stock-ish. His car has a cat delete. My car has a cat delete, and I also have an intake. My car makes a little bit more torque than his. I think his car makes more power. I think things will even out, and it could potentially be a really good race. You ready? 1, 2, 3. That was a good race. How fast did you go?
I don't even know.
Now that was fire. We most definitely got to get another run in, though. We most definitely got to.
I want to see the clip.
You want to see the clip? All right, hold on. I got you. If you haven't already, man, please give this video a thumbs up, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.